What's up, ladies? I like breast. Today, we're making spinach stuffed chicken breast with pasta. Not specifically just any pasta, but rigatoni. Stay tuned. I like an A cup. Or a B cup. I don't really like too big, you know. I'm rocking solo today. Yeah, that's right. It's just me, the fucking camera guy, and that's it. Two of us reaping the benefits of nothing. That's the wonder of this show. So, like I said earlier, you're gonna need a box of rigatoni, okay? You need the big kind, because fuck the little kind, okay? You're gonna need some chicken breast. So imagine some chicken titties right here. Just right here. Okay, right there. We're gonna need some flour. We're gonna need 1/4 cup specifically, and it's for the fucking bechamel, alright? If you don't know what the fuck that is, just shut the fuck up. I got time for this shit. I forgot other shit. You're gonna need some butter, okay? Then you're gonna need some fucking heavy cream. Half and half, because my dumb ass don't know how to read. Then, you're gonna need some fucking shallots. Yeah, it's a fucking onion and a garlic. And guess what? We're gonna need more garlic, because we're fucking crazy. And then we're gonna need an onion, and I fucking forgot the spinach, but it's in there. Then, most importantly, you're gonna need some salt, some fucking pepper, some fucking parsley, grounded parsley, and some fucking love. That's all we need. So stay tuned. Let me fuck your mind. It's an amazing day. Why? This is day after 420. Yeah, I got fucked up last night. In reality, I just sat in the corner in my bathroom and cried. But we'll talk about that later. Okay. So you're gonna get your leftover 420 goodies. I picked up some Pyromaniac. The lady at the fucking dispensary told me some bomb shit. She's a fucking liar. It's gross. It's garbage. But I'm still gonna smoke it. Because I paid. Then you're gonna grind your fucking weed. Do it like a quarter turn pepper fucking turn. Alright? You see that? It's fucking. Look at this. You tell I can jerk off good. Then. We all know what to do here. Kids, turn away. Adults, it's time to play. And that's rhyming with Chef. I tell you, every week you're gonna get a rhyme and poetry with me, okay? But let's get high. It's time to cook some chicken. This is some chicken titties, okay? Now it's time you take your chicken titties after you wash them. You know, you want to wash your chicken titties because there's a possibility somebody fucked them, okay? There's some freaks out there, especially that work in the butchery department. I used to know a guy, you know, his name was Chris. He used to like fucking the pork. It was weird, but you know, make sure you wash your meat every time because nobody likes to fuck chicken or fuck anything for that matter in their mouth. Unless you're some freak. But clean up your chicken, alright? Let's get off that matter. Let's focus on this. So you're gonna clean your chicken or you're gonna fucking cut it in half? Because God knows why I'm going to fucking hell. And then you wanna cut your chicken in half? And I'll show you why. You just cut it. You cut it in. Make sure, I don't know, it looks like an whole pussy. Then you want to take your mallet and you want to beat the fuck out of that chicken. Make sure you don't beat it too rough, because I beat the fuck out of it and I just split it. But okay, same thing on this side. Beat the fuck out of it. So now that you properly beat off your chicken, we're gonna take some salt and some fucking pepper, and we're gonna fucking season the shit out of it. And we're using low sodium because we don't want to fucking die today. Now, you use black pepper because I forgot white pepper, and yeah, I was gonna make some shit up. I was gonna say something, but it was gonna be a little edgy there. And we'll just leave it at that, alright? Fuck it. So you wanna do that. And while you fucking properly season your chicken, you don't wanna touch it with your wet hands, okay? You wanna come and stir some water up and blanch this bitch, okay? And this bitch is gonna be this bitch, and I'm talking about baby spinach, bitch. This is the one you're gonna throw in the water. You're gonna let it boil for a minute, and we're gonna put it in the water, cool it off, and then we're gonna fucking put it in some fucking cream cheese with some more seasonings. Then we're gonna put this in the oven, and then we're gonna, fuck. I really haven't thought this one through, but we're gonna put this in the oven after we fry it a bit in here, because we want the chicken flavor, it to be brown. And we're gonna put it in a glass pan, put it in that fucking thing, and then I'm gonna jump off a fucking 3-foot building, and then that's it. So now that your boiling water is taking time to boil, we're gonna take that time and utilize our time, and we're gonna cut some shit, and we're gonna talk about our feelings. And what I mean by feelings is we're gonna fucking peel back our layers. Like this shallot. You know, I told you I was gonna talk about it later. Well, I'm gonna talk about it now. The reason why I was crying is because, goddamn it, nobody watched our last goddamn video. See, normally we have about, 9,000 million gajillion views by now. But we only have like 300. So I'm a little upset with you. What I'm gonna do is, if I cook for any of you, I'm fucking killing you. Alright? Just so you know. So I'm gonna start a food truck. And I'm gonna kill you. I told my plan. I wasn't supposed to have my plan, but fuck it. That's it. It's out there. I don't care. Just kidding, the FDA, don't come after me. I don't know why the... Why? What the fuck? See, this is why you go to school, kids. You don't be a dumbass like me. You don't try to be sophisticated and come up with shit and think you're smart, because it just doesn't work. And that's pulling back your emotions with Kyle. Fuck, I'm so stupid. Bro, I wish my mom didn't drop me around my head when I was a kid. Shit. Maybe I would have been a lawyer. Oh, shit. Maybe I would have cured cancer. I doubt that, but shit, maybe I would have learned how to stop touching my nuts all the time. I don't know. But anyway, we got fuck that. Let's stop talking about my nuts. Let's cut some shallots. All right. So you want to chop up some shallots, dice them up, whatever. Who gives a fuck what you call it? Put it in the small bowl. That's probably why I'm not successful in life, because I make things fucking 10 times difficult. And probably because I can't speak for shit. I sound like a 3-year-old on crack. Don't do crack, kids. It's not good, especially if you're 3. It's a vulnerable age when you're 3. You want to fucking... You want to be stronger than the garlic, okay? Alright? Eventually, you'll get a clove. See, I got a clove. Out of all that garlic, I got one clove. All right. Oh, fucking idiot. Okay. Same thing. Fuck, I didn't grab another bowl. Hold on. Let me grab another bowl like this. Okay, this is enough to hold the precise amount of garlic that you need. Now it's time for the hairy shit. If I start crying, it's not because I'm a pussy, it's because I'm thinking about shit. You want to take this off your onion because that's the bad no-no, okay? And you know what? I learned something fucking smart. Somebody once told me there's no point in, going this way with the onion. So let's test it out. Let's see if they're right. Oh shit, they're right. Okay. So apparently nobody thought before they went to fucking chef school to realize that onions have layers. So if you just, cut the layer and then cut the layer, you get dices. Some smart shit, right? I should have went to fucking Yale. You put your onions in there. Oh, it smells fucking lovely in here. It smells like a fucking French lady's ass. So it's all about being time efficient, okay? You saw me fucking chop that shit up. Now I'm gonna fucking add some flavoring to the water. I don't know why people do that. And then I'm gonna throw that fucking spinach in there. And the more sexual you look doing it, the more fucking either dick or pussy you get, whatever way you float. Okay? I'm fucking sexy. I'm single, by the way. Anyways, you want to throw your trash on the side. Forget that you're not sexy at all, and you never will be. But you just blanch your spinach, and when you're blanching your spinach, it's gonna blanch. Okay, like it's gonna look like fucking that chick from the Golden Girls blanch. Okay, shriveled and full of wrinkles and smells like shit. Shout out to you, Blanche. You dirty bitch. Okay? So take your mind off of stupid shit. And you want to, properly stir your spinach. And your spinach look like that. And it's almost done. Got another about fucking, 30 minutes on the spinach. Just kidding, about another 30 seconds. We're going to let it boil a little longer. Then I'm going to take it to the cold water. I'm going to shock it with my fingers. Give it a 1, 2, 3. And then when we do that, I'm gonna fold it into some cream cheese and some other cheeses with some blends of mustard and spices. No mustard. Mustard just came out. Just forget the mustard. And then we're gonna put the chicken together in here. You're gonna see me do my thing there. And we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna be there. And square. Yeah. My words aren't working with me. Now that you take your fucking spinach out, you want to carry your shit over here like you're married to a little fucking lamb. Or Red Riding Hood. Well, whoever had the fucking basket, alright? You're gonna cool your spinach down to like a cool 260. No, it's like, now it's like a 180. We're at 97. 65. Okay, we're good. Now that your spinach is blanched, we're gonna get it. We're gonna fucking ball it up, alright? We're gonna squeeze all that shit out of there. Like, I mean, squeeze the fuck out of it, okay? Damn. Fuck yeah. Okay, you do your fucking workout for the day. That's the squeeze. That's what I would do every day I work out. I call it the squeeze. You'll come over here and you tear this shit apart, okay? And it smells like dog ass. And don't ask me how I know what dog ass smells like. But it smells like dog ass. But it's just spinach for right now. But just wait until I add this in there, plus those in there, plus a flower or two. It's gonna be magical. Now that you got your spinach out, you just want to give it a good chop. All right, you want to chop the fuck out of it. You know, I would use my grinder, but that's probably unsanitary. So we'll not do that. Because, you know, we're about proper sanitary shit here. Okay. Now that you got your green in your bowl, you get your fucking white shit. AKA your Philadelphia. I should have probably pre-opened this before, but fuck it. I'm gonna struggle on camera with you. This whole fucking show is nothing but struggle. It's a struggle bus. That's what we should name this. Struggle bus. You get 3/4 of that fucking sticky shit. Put it in there. Okay. Then you get some onions, some of your shallots, and some of your galark. Put that in there, right? Then you get some of your black pepper. This bitch should make you sneeze. I haven't sneezed yet, so ooh. You can get some salt. A lot of salt. I didn't mean to put that much salt. Woo. And you get a little bit of your mozz. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot because it's gonna be cream based. Some Parmesan. And fucking just get the shredded shit. Who's got time today? I don't got fucking time. Nobody's got time anymore. Shit. This is the fucking show on the road, Rose. This is not what it's called. It's Cloud 9. It's Cloud 9. Fuck it, okay. Just get your hands, fuck the fork, and you just squeeze that shit together. Okay. Now it looks like a fucking chia pet. Okay. You take your chia pet, you put it on the side. You get your chicken. And you want to get half your chia pet and put it in the breast. Okay. This is very important. Half a chia pet in half the breast. One side. Now, if you need portions, you need about 17 chia pets for a family meal. And that may be wrong. That may be a lot. But fuck it. Do 17. Challenge yourself. It's all about challenges. And then you just want to make sure you put a lot of that in there. Because fuck it, why not? Okay? And you want to high five your chicken and flip it over. Okay. You're going to come over here. We're going to wash our hands because we don't want nasty shit everywhere. Jerking off a bit there. Now, proper etiquette. We need to close the hole up, okay? I was gonna make a reference to somebody who has a lot of children, but we'll let that slide. Okay, now you take your skewers and we want to close it up, okay? And if we get splinters, fuck it, okay? Fuck it. I've eaten worse shit, okay? Now you stitch the bitch, the chicken. You want to do the same thing the other side, okay? Now I should have probably got some toothpicks, but fuck it, you know, I don't think that's not how I do things around here. Now that you got your boiling water, yes, you want to get your pan warm. Come back in a couple of seconds. Let me wash my hands. Okay. Now. Your pan is heating up. Very important. Take this pan and douse some oil in that shit. And if you don't, you're some weird fucking person. More fucking salt. Some more pepper. And then you want to get your fucking chili flakes. And you want to dust the fuck out of it, okay? Dust the fuck out of it. And it's simple. We're going to take this and put it into that mechanism. And from that mechanism, we're going to get a heat parameter built up around the surface of the skin. And then we're going to take that we're gonna take that fucking thing, we're gonna put it in the fucking oven, okay? Fuck the smart shit. We're just doing it the way I do it, okay? But then next, we're gonna make the sauce. But that's after the chicken is cooked and all that because it has to be. That's just the way cooking physics works. I'm fucking stupid, dude. Now that your fucking shit is heated, you want to almost knock your camera over. Do it again. You want to put the seasoning side down. It's important. You're going to put that cutting board there for obvious reasons, and then you're going to let it cook for about a good 3 minutes on each side. We're gonna do the, clean your hands, poker shit, flip it, put it in the oven, and then we're gonna take these out of the oven, put them in another pan. We're gonna take these out of the fucking pan, put them in another fucking pan, put it in a pan, put it in the oven, and then we're gonna use that oven pan. Yes, we're gonna make the sauce in this pan after we're done. Yes, just fuck. It's been 3 minutes now and we're ready to fucking flip. Look like fucking Wesley Snipes and White Man Can't Jump. Not them. Not them. Not them. And fuck! Fuck! Now that your chicken is nice and brown, get all that other shit off of the bottom. You want to transfer your chicken into the oven and make sure it cooks all the way through, because we don't want to die today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today specifically. Put it on the top shelf because we're not fucking stupid. That's where the oven works. Now come with me. Don't come on me, but come with me, okay? Now, you want to take the pan off the fucking hot ass fire and let it think about what it's done, okay? You let it think about the fucking life it's lived, because we're gonna fuck it up. I'm gonna fuck your day up, boy. That's how you gotta talk to your pans. Then, what you're gonna see me doing here in a second is I'm gonna take some butter. I'm gonna put the butter in the pan. Then I'm gonna take some fucking flour. And I'm gonna take that flour and I'm gonna sprinkle it in here. Do a little magic dance with that flour. Then I'm gonna make that flour cry, because I'm gonna cook it. Yeah, that's right. I'm turning the white flour into brown flour. Then I'm gonna take some cream, put it in there. Probably not gonna make the brown because I needed white cream, okay? Then we're gonna take some cream, put it in there. Flush it with seasonings. And then, that's gonna be it. We'll top it off. Now, yes, you feel that? You fucking feel that? You feel it from your fucking cojones? Or your fucking, I don't know, your pussy, ladies? Theo's not here right now, he would've corrected me. But, if you don't feel that fucking energy, get off the fucking channel. Come back in 10 minutes after you smoke. Come back and feel that energy. Let it build up from your cojones. And then we'll get down and dirty with this shit. You want to start your pan on a medium low high heat. Medium low is what I meant to say, but today somebody put a curse on me, okay? Somebody spoke some dirty shit last night and my mouth isn't working. Holy fuck. Fuck, bro, I maybe shouldn't fuck that married chick, but you want to spread the butter all around the pan and hopefully loosen up everything. I doubt it because it doesn't look like it's coming up. But you do that with the pan, okay? While it's doing that, it's getting all cool and shit. Come over here, you get your fucking strainer, and this is a trick. Get some butter, you put it in there, tap it in there, alright? Not your butter, but your flour. Yeah, use your fucking words, man. Okay. Now you got all your Coke beads out, yeah, that's where I hide my Coke. Put it there, save that for later. Come in here and you cook that fucking flour for a second. Alright, you let that fucking flour tell you, not tell you, but let it know who's fucking mad, alright? Fuck, cause my shit ain't working today. My mouth is off of wine. Fuck, okay, let your shit cook for a second, turn it down, don't fuck around. Okay, now that it's cooked, you come over here and you get your fucking milk beer, aka half and half. Ooh. Get a half a container of that shit in there. Now you want to take your fucking spoon and you want to make a mess everywhere, because that's the plan. It's really not the plan, I swear. But you get the fucking gist. You move that shit around. Make sure you don't got no fucking... Yeah, you know what I mean. You just cook it. And you let that cook. And you want to just keep stirring it and let it stir for a second. You want to keep it on a medium heat, because you don't want to fuck up your shit, okay? We'll clean that mess up later, I swear. Now you're gonna take your three thingies, your onion, this is garlic. Take your garlic, put it in there. I'm so professional, by the way, like this is top notch, okay? Then you get your shallots, you put it in there, same shit. Fucking feel the spirits. Take the rest of your onions, you put it in there. Feel the spirits and shit. Then you get your salt, pepper. You don't have to follow me. Oh, you get your salt. This is a very high sodium based fucking meal, okay? Just fuck it. Ooh, almost fucked up and put a whole ladle spoon of fucking shit in there. And you want to put some black pepper in that shit. And you want to keep stirring it by every so often. I don't know what I'm saying. But you want to let it thicken up. And you want to let those onions and shit, you know, do its thing. And then we're going to drain them out. Don't worry, we're not going to eat all of that, because that's too nasty. We're going to, yeah. I don't know what's wrong with my brain today. It's lagging. But we're going to just drain that. We're gonna put that there, and then you get it. Sweet. Now that your sauce is nice and fucking thick, like my cum on a Friday night. I don't know why specifically on a Friday, but it's a Friday night's cum. You want to add your mozzarella, and you want to add your fucking parm to the mix. All right. Turn off the heat. You don't want the heat. Now get your fucking ladle spoon with a hole in it, and you want to fold that shit in, okay? And you just keep stirring until all that cheese is fucking melted. There. Now you got some thick ass cheese sauce. Okay, now we're gonna take that off the heat part right here. We're gonna slide it over here. And then we're gonna wait for the fucking chicken to be done. The pasta boil is almost ready. And we're almost ready for this shit. We're gonna put the chicken back in here. Fucking get it all squiggly and swoogly. I don't know what the fuck that means. And then we'll put the pasta in, and we're good to go. Thank you. Stay tuned. So now it's time. We're gonna add some olive oil to the water. Why? I don't know. Those Italians know some shit that I don't know. Okay, you're gonna put some salt water. Water. You need some salt in that fucking thing. All right. Put some salt in your water. You can get your rigatoni. All right. You're gonna put it in there. Put it all in there. And you get this part, cause fuck it, I didn't get another spoon. I'm gonna put that in there, and hopefully we cook all the noodles right. Probably not, but fuck it. This is my show, not yours, so fuck you. Then we're gonna close the oil, put the oil back. We're gonna think about our life while the boiling is happening. And we're gonna take that pasta, put it straight into the fucking sauce, and we're good to go. So it's been about 30 minutes. At 375 degrees, these fucking bad bitches should be done. And they are. Thank fucking God. So now that they're done, we're gonna probably, I'll probably let them rest for a second because it's gonna be hot as fuck to touch them. But you wanna remove the fucking sprinkles. What in the fuck is wrong with my mouth? See, this is why it's important, parents, to pay attention to your kids. If they got mumble mouth like me, they're probably fucking stupid like me, okay? What I meant was these sprinkle thingies, remove the toothpicks. That's what I meant. So when you do that, throw them away. Keep them away from your dumb fucking kid, okay? You know fucking time it is. Motherfucking assembly time. Now it's time for fucking me to enjoy this shit. And I'm gonna. I don't have no clever shit to say today. I'm all out of clever talk. You know, find me on clevertalk.com. I don't know if it's a real site, so don't go there, but you might find some porno shit. But I don't know if you're into that shit. But cheers. That tastes like shit. But give it a try. Let me know what you think.